gotta go to Jesus. Yeah, go to church. Should go to church, but choose this format. You have 16K 2019, 2018. Sorry. Consider the following shapes and answer the questions that follow. So you have the first question here is to write down the values of Q, which is here, and then R here. So we have 4 here, difference, right? So for 5, I add 4 to get 9. Add 4 to get 13. Q is going to be equal to 17 because it's 13 plus 4, right? So if I look at something, now I need to find out which one correlates with 101. So let me look at the relationship, right? If I look at the first one, that is n, right? For me to get 5, I can multiply it by 5, which is going to give me 5 multiplied by 1, which is going to give me 5. That's the first 10. Let us say I want the second 10. So I'm getting 10. So it means that it's not going to work out the 5n. Let us say that I say 4 times n, right, plus 1, because it's 4 times 1 plus 1, which is going to give me 5. That's the first 10. Now let me go to the second one. It's 8 and 9. Okay, let me check with the third one. Then it's 13. Okay, good. Then that means that this is equal to 4tn, equal to 4n plus 1, right? So for me to get R, I know that these are equal. So 101 is the term, then 4n plus 1 to find R. So 100 is equal to 4n. Divide by 4, divide by 4, n is going to be equal to 25. So that will be my R. Right, so for 3.1.2, determine the general term. I already did that in the first question. So it's Tn is equal to this thing here. This thing here. 4n plus 1. Then 3.1.3, hence determine which shape will have 205 rectangles. Shapes is Tn. Right, so I'm going to say 205 is equal to 4n plus 1. So I take the 2 on that side, 204 is equal to 4n. Divide by 4, divide by 4. Okay, then we find the shape. N is going to be equal to, I'm going to say 204 divided by 4. 51. So it's going to be 51. Get into the next question. You are given 2, 5, 10, and 17. Provide a rule to describe the relationship between the numbers in the number pattern. Rule. Rule, it's Tn. Right, so I'm going to look at what I have here. So for term number 1, let us say I multiply term number 1 with, let us say I say 2n. This is going to be 2. So for number 2, it's going to be 4, which doesn't give me 5. Okay. So let us say I say, okay, 4n minus 2. Okay, so 4 into 1 minus 2, this gives me 2. Okay, 4 times 2 minus 2, which equals to, this is 8, then 6, though it's not giving me the correct answer. So I can say something else that's going to give me 2. Right, let us say I have 2n. Right, okay, I already did 2n. Let us say n squared plus 1, because I know n squared, like saying 1 squared plus 1, which is 2. Then 2 squared plus 1, which is 5. Yes. 3 squared plus 1, which gives me 10. So therefore, I found my answer. This. So 3.2.1 Tn is equal to n squared plus 1. This is called the trial and error. That's what you're going to use to find the Tn. Use the rule to determine the 10th term. So they want T number 10. So I'm going to say T10, then I substitute 10 whole squared plus 1, which gives me, this is 101. Get to the next question. You are given to study the diagram below. Complete the table for the figures 4 and 5. Okay, figures 4 and 5. So let me see, they're adding how much here? 6. They add 6. So 6 1 6 here is going to be 22 plus 6, 28. Then describe the pattern in your own words. If you can see the pattern, number of matchsticks, they're adding 6 sticks on every turn. So add 6 sticks to get the next figure, the next term. Then now let's look at the rule. Let us say I say 4n. So it's going to be 4 times 1, which is this one here. Gives me 4. Okay, 4 times this 2 here. It must give me 10. So it gives me 8. So it means that it's off. Let us say I say 4. Okay, not 4. Let me say 2n. To get 4, I have to add 2. Okay. So 2 into 1 plus 2 equals 4. Then 2 into 2 plus 2 still gives me 6. Doesn't give me 10. Okay. Let us say
Yes, why everyone? The 3 plus.
Yeah, with Jesus. I'll hit you up. You have 4n plus 1. Okay, it's not gonna give me that. Let's say I say 2n or n squared plus 3, because it's gonna give me 1 squared plus 3, which is 4. Then let us say I have 2 squared plus 3, which is 7. So it doesn't give me that answer. So let us say I say, okay, 6n. Then for me to get 4, I need to minus 2. Yeah, so 6 into 1 minus 2, this is 4. Okay, 6 into 2 minus 2, 12, then 10. Okay, 3, that is 6 and 3, 18 minus 2, it's going to give me 16. Okay, that means I'm on the right track. Then my Tn is going to be this thing here, equals to 6n minus 2. 10th term, T10 is equals to 6 into 10 minus 2. Answer is going to be equal to 58. Get into which term is equals to 76. 76 is the term, then I say 6n minus 1. So I have 70, sorry, minus 2, I say 74 equal to 6n. Not 74, 78, because it changes the sign. This is plus 2 to eliminate it. So I have 6n divided by 6. So I have 76, 78 divided by 6. My answer is 13. Therefore, the 13th term equals 76. Get to the last question. Similar question. They always ask the same things. These are different set of questions. They always ask the same thing. Figures, you just have to use trial and error to find the general formula. So you're given figure 1, 2, and 8. Complete the table. Difference here is 4. So it's going to be the same thing. 4, 12 plus 16. Similar question. Check. Check. It's this question again. Similar question. With this sort of question. Similar things. They're similar. Now, describe the pattern in your own words. Add or to get next term. General rule. Let me see. What do I have to multiply this by? For 1 to get 4. I multiply 4 times 1. So this is 4. So I can look at 4n. Let us say 4 times 2, which is this 2. I must get 8. I'm getting 8. 4 times 3, I must get 12. That's 12, which is the 12 here. So Tn is equals to 4n. This was an easy question. And then I think that would be the last of it. Go to church, be there with one.